halata na walang tulog. Oo. Ang tulog ay wala pa isang oras. O, di ba?
Sold na.
Sold na. Dito kami sa catering, guys. Ngayon pa lang, pumunta kami dito alas 9:30. Anong oras na ngayon? Buti na lang. May freelance pa rin kami kahit pa paano. Ayan. Ang kasama ko, oh, parang nagbibitsa lang. Di ba? Ayos kayo, no?
Uuwi na rin.
Dito na kami sa loob ng Ateneo, guys.
Out na.
Dito lang, out na. Anong oras na? Mag alas 3 na, di ba?
The stress.
Yan, oh.
Survive.
Survive. Walang tulog. Late ng kain.
Si Sir na ba yan?
Hindi pa. Hindi yan si Sir. Di ba? Para lang kami nagmumul dalawa, oh.
Analysis on what is the most cost-effective venture, and our estimate shows
Marisa.
that external partnering is the economical choice. But for customers who still prefer to drive to the physical dealership, we have our ride-hailing integration. We will partner with platforms like Grab to serve as a fallback convenience layer by offering complimentary vouchers for
BCG
customers
event,
who possess
guys. Ng
A
Toyota.
strategy is only as good as the numbers
Ito
it
kami.
delivers, and our
Nagki-catering
projections
kami,
are
guys.
definitive. The estimated revenue from the status quo would be 625,000 pesos a month compared to our estimated revenue with the plan of
Wala pa man alas 3, di ba?
1.1 million.
Sakto na yan, 50 eh.
5,000 pesos difference
Sakto,
in revenue
50?
per month. Our target KPMs for
Ha?
release booking rate from 25 to 75%, cohort completion from 20% to 50%, appointment rate, as opposed to walk-in, from 35 to 70%, and increase in customer trust index of 25%. We're also taking our current cohort completion rate from a leaky 21% up to a robust 48%. And by implementing Suki sa Casa, we estimate a 2.3 times increase in our first to third PMS retention conversion. Furthermore, by proactively recovering customers through our valet service and transparent value messaging, our missed PMS recovery rate will surge from 18% to 15%. And overall, this cohesive ecosystem
Yan, kuha na kayo ng
our
kotse.
customer trust
Mura lang yan.
index by a massive 25%.
Plus 25%.
For the appendix, it contains our case framing board, our SWOT analysis, the issue tree, the 5 whys analysis,
Kulang pa
and
dalawa?
our visual assets and renders.
I-check
We're
na lang
not
natin dun
just
sa kabila.
selling cars,
Baka
we
nahalo
are
na doon.
securing lifelong companions
Te.
on the road. It's time to bridge the gap. Let's go places. It's time to drive it home.
Doon sa isa, te. Kulang pala dalawa. Mali pa ang bilang ko.
Your 10-minute Q&A will begin now.
About BCG. Thank you guys for your performance. Is this passport also served as like a prepaid?
No.
Or what is the difference of this particular passport when we use prepaid card?
May mga bago na nalalabas natin.
Our model is not a prepaid card. It's something similar to loyalty, like similar to the Starbucks card, where you don't have to pay upfront fee. And the reason why we said Toyota Care Passport is we want to integrate the already pre-existing Toyota Care, that's a brand already existing, where we tie both of them. And the passport only serves as an extension or parang a tangible clarity of the customer. Because we want to emphasize that this is, again, not